Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about how we can enable Agentforce in Salesforce org with the latest approach. So before get started, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So from the by clicking on this gear icon, we can just go to the setup of Salesforce. And earlier what we do, earlier in the quick find, we search for Einstein Setup. So now this approach is changed a little bit. So we can't find this Einstein setup directly from the quick find. Instead, in on clicking on this gear icon, we can find the Salesforce Go configurations app from the menu Salesforce Go. And on clicking on Salesforce Go, we can see different tabs like feature sets, feature my clouds. So these are the features and options that we can enable directly from this Salesforce Go app, and it's available in the Play Store as well, this Salesforce Go app. And from this Salesforce Go app, in the home tab, we can find by scrolling down little bit, like get started with Agentforce. And in here we can find under the sales the Agentforce for sales. So on clicking on this setup for Agentforce sales, we can just find this turn on Agentforce. So after Agentforce is turned on, all the setup steps will appear here. Select agent's primary role, complete the required steps, then follow the link to build and configure your agent. So now it is turned off in my org, and if I just find for agents, it will not appear in the quick finder, right? Agents, then if I search for prompt builder, those are configurations steps are not showing. And if I just turn it on by clicking on this button, so we can just turn it on, and there will be a pop-up like it takes a few minutes to turn on this feature for you. When it's ready, you can configure settings and give users access. So I'll be just click on confirm. So it will take a little bit time to getting started, and we can see this pop-up message like Agentforce for sales is turned on, and we can see this green tick here as well. And we can see these are the toggle options are available, like this Agentforce sales coach. We can configure a sales coach, inbound lead generation. This needs to be turned on manually. Then lead nurturing, then partner success for agent, then sales management pipeline. So I'll not going through all the steps here. So I'll just for today's demo, I'll be just showing like how we can just turn on this Agentforce with this new approach. And after turning on this Agentforce, we can just refresh this page and let me search for agents. So now we can find under the Einstein Agentforce Studio is now showing, and we can see this Agentforce agent, and we can, on clicking on it, we can just create our new agent as well. We can see that Agentforce is turned on, and on clicking on this add new button, we can just create our new agent in the Salesforce org. And if I just search for prompt, and we can see that under the Einstein generative AI, this prompt builder is also showing, and there will be like a default standard prompt templates also should be there by default. And we can see that these are the default prompt templates provided by Salesforce, and category of type it's like standard. We can see that as well. And if I just search for Einstein setup again, okay, this option totally not showing. Okay, let me search for Einstein generative AI, and under the Einstein generative AI, all the options like Agentforce Studio. And in the Agentforce Studio, I have already shown this Agentforce agent, and this Agentforce assets is also available. From these assets, we can just create new topics, then we can just create new actions. And I have created like several tutorials on this. And we can find interesting approach, like we can see the velocity tools also showing like integration procedure. in the agent action is also showing. Like we can invoke that Omni Studio tool right away from here, as well as the Apex flows APIs, prompt templates, flows, auto launch flows, APIs. So I'll be covering more tutorials like on these Omni Studio and Salesforce and Data Cloud topics. So if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching.